Right now at 4:30, a first alert weather day in parts of North Texas. Waking up to what we thought were going to be strong storms. What sort of weather is going on right now? What could be headed your way and when?
And we are tracking as those storms move through. Some wet and slick roads for your morning commute. Not precisely a great way to start your Thursday morning. Good morning. Thank you so much for waking up with us. I'm Brooke Katz.
And I'm Keith Russell. We have complete coverage on this first alert weather day, but let's start with Brittany Rainey.
We are tracking that line of showers and thunderstorms moving through the area, and we did have a severe thunderstorm watch, even some severe thunderstorm warnings for our western counties earlier this morning. Luckily, those storms have weakened as they've moved off to the east, and we will continue to see them steadily weakening as they move into East Texas a little bit later this morning. But the strongest storms, those are focused up into southern Oklahoma this morning. We are still getting some gusty winds out of this line moving through the McKinney area. This will continue to race off to the northeast. And notice this line is moving very quickly, but we have another line of showers behind it. So now that line is extending down right through Dallas, DeSoto, and then Waxahachie, and this will continue to head over towards the Seagoville area. Terrell, Kaufman, and Rosser here in about the next half an hour to 45 minutes. And then we are seeing the yellow. That's where we're seeing those heavier downpours, likely still getting some of those gusty winds up to 40 miles an hour. And this is going to continue to shift down over towards I-35 east, head over towards the Italy area, and then looking a little bit further back towards the west. Notice we are still seeing another line of showers and thunderstorms. This is not severe, but this is going to bring us some more rain for the morning commute. So this will shift over towards Decatur, Jacksboro. You guys are just looking at some of those moderate showers, but where we are getting a bit of that heavier rain, a little bit further south, right along I-20, headed over towards the Weatherford area, Oak Trail Shores, and then this will be moving into Tarrant County. So we're not quite done with the rain just yet. We're even seeing some of that higher rainfall total down towards the Hyco area, Stephenville, and Meridian. So it is going to be a soggy morning commute for a lot of you, but on Futurecast, we're going to see this precipitation shifting off to the east. So shortly after sunrise, maybe about 8 to 9 a.m., we will see drying conditions around the Metroplex, with that rain shifting over into East Texas. And then we're going to have a strong cold front that's going to usher in significantly colder air. So our temperatures will be falling throughout the day today. We're likely still going to see a good deal of cloud cover just on the backside of that system, but we may also get some peaks of sunshine a little bit later on this afternoon. So our winds, they're out of the southwest right now, sustained about 15 to 20 miles an hour. Notice where we're seeing these brighter colors up here. Those are the stronger winds behind that front, and that is headed our way. But right now, right around Denton, McKinney, Dallas, and Fort Worth, we're still seeing those wind gusts closer to about 30 miles an hour. So here's what our wind gusts will look like after we get towards 7 a.m. Notice we're getting those blue wind arrows out of the north. That's the colder air starting to move in behind the front. We'll continue to see gusts up to about 35 miles an hour. So it's going to be a windy day, and it's really going to add a bite to the air. But by this evening, we're starting to see those winds relax a bit, and then overnight the winds really start to weaken. And then we have clear skies, and that's going to set the stage for a very cold Friday morning. But we're sitting at 66 degrees in Dallas right now, 67 in McKinney. Notice the blue here, that's the colder air, so that's going to be working its way southeast throughout the day today, and that's going to have our temperatures falling. So by around 11 a.m. we'll be near 46.